Welcome back to Tech Insight Daily, your source for the latest tech innovations. Today, we're diving into the world of pharmaceuticals and how major drug makers are harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to revolutionize drug development. In this video, we'll explore how AI is being used to find patients for clinical trials quickly and reduce the cost of drug testing, ultimately speeding up the development of life-saving medicines. But before we delve into this fascinating topic, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from Tech Insight Daily. Our story today comes from a recent Reuters article. Let's jump right in. Major pharmaceutical companies like Amgen, Bayer, and Novartis are no strangers to the potential of AI. They're training AI systems to sift through vast amounts of public health records, prescription data, medical insurance claims, and internal data to find suitable trial patients. This AI-driven approach is not just about speed but also about cost savings. Human studies are notorious for being the most expensive and time-consuming part of drug development, often costing over $1 billion. Let's take a closer look at how this works in practice. Amgen, for example, has developed an AI tool called Atomic. Instead of spending months sending surveys to doctors around the world, Atomic scans troves of data to identify and rank clinics and doctors based on their past performance in recruiting patients for trials. Enrolling patients for a mid-stage trial could take up to 18 months, but with Atomic, Amgen can cut that time in half, potentially saving millions. Amgen has already used Atomic in trials for conditions like cardiovascular disease and cancer, with plans to use it for most studies by 2024. They believe that by 2030, AI will have shaved 2 years off the typical decade-long drug development process. But what about the quality of data? Novartis, another major player, emphasizes that AI is only as good as the data it's fed. Less than 25% of health data is publicly available for research, according to the World Health Organization. To address this, German pharmaceutical giant Bayer used AI to link mid-stage trial results to real-world data from millions of patients. This allowed them to predict long-term risks and reduce the number of trial participants, saving both time and money. In a particularly innovative move, Bayer plans to use anonymized real-world patient data for a pediatric trial, potentially eliminating the need for a placebo group. This approach is especially valuable for rare diseases where recruiting patients can be challenging. Now, let's address an important question. Are regulators on board with this AI-driven approach? The US FDA has received over 300 applications that incorporate AI in drug development, with more than 90% of them coming in the past 2 years. Some concerns have been raised about the use of AI to create external control arms for clinical trials. Regulators want to ensure that safety and effectiveness standards are upheld, and that AI doesn't lead to incorrect conclusions about a drug's performance. In conclusion, AI is rapidly transforming the landscape of drug development. It's not only making trials faster and more cost-effective but also opening doors to innovative approaches like using real-world patient data. That's it for today's episode on how AI is shaping the future of drug development. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Insight Daily. Stay curious, stay tech-savvy, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Stay connected, tech enthusiasts, in this ever-evolving world of technology.